There's my sheet iron bread challenge. I already made Irish soda bread, but it says King Arthur's flour, a couple raisins, baking soda, baking powder, apple cider vinegar. Yeah, my new type of alcohol stove on an Esmond type stove. That's what we're doing here. A little sticky. I clean my hands off here a bit. It's for shovel head. I gotta put the bacon down first. A little base. It's kind of cook it quick, but let's see what we can do. Suppose I can put a top on there if I want. Yeah, I will. This parchment here. I'm not gonna worry about it. I'm not supposed to burn, but it looks like it's burning. Well, I guess it does. Nope, ain't gonna work. So, like, I don't want to generate dishes, but I guess I have to. Yeah. There we go. Taking a while to cook here. So I'll get back to you. Again, this is King Arthur flour. I forgot to mention a little dash of cornmeal, apple cider vinegar, baking soda, baking powder, and some raisins. A sheet iron pan. Okay. It's kind of impromptu here. Yeah, see, burning. It's okay. Yeah, it's still okay. There you go. More bacon. tea on there. There's the Bannock bread, or camp bread, whatever you want to call it. Looks good. Now, I didn't bring any marmalade or anything out. Tastes good though. Got done. Show you my stove after. Oh yeah. Good, man. That's what I did. In the little pan I carry in my haversack there. Cook some bacon first. Put down. Use butter, lard, whatever you want. Then cook the bread and put my little plate on there. Pretty good. Now I'm just cooking the tea. Snow's got to melt in there. Put a little extra water in too, but it's gonna be good. So this is cast iron, sheet iron bread challenge. A shovel head. Well, or shovel head. Pretty good. One special thing I do want to make this month, we'll see it. Done it before, quite good. Imagine they do it a lot down south, I don't know, but you know, we do pumpkins up here, but sweet potato is good. Anyways, that's another bread challenge. Already made a couple loaves of Irish soda bread. Hope to make at least 4 more, maybe more. So, well, I'll get back to when I'm having my tea. A couple little things I got here is a little Kepart style knife, Timberwolf, inexpensive knife, full thing. I had to fix the scales on there one time, but very sharp, nice. Shows good spark. Keep this on there so I don't lose it. I have a fair run on the case with it. This is my old Iron Man forge out of PA. I don't know if it's still alive. Put your stick in here. Got yourself a squirrel cooker. Whatever you want, man. See? I got a couple more pieces of bacon I probably won't show. I will put it on here. Put some tea bags in there. Pretty good, man. It's a regular tin cup. Nice tin plate. One of my haversacks. Keep a lot of stuff in there. Little spatula. Cheap one that I made. Just goes in the haversack. The forged spoon and fork. Looks pretty good. So, I'll get back to you. It looks like the tea is just about ready there. I don't know how much fuel was in there. I did put some fuel in again after the first time. But, let's see how it is. Yo! Well, definitely ready. And what I'm going to do here, put the bread in here. I'll take the cup off. Got a wee bit of bacon left. That's a little, not too much left in there. We'll see what happens. All that burn out. But yeah, here we go, man. we'll call it Bannock bread. Variation with tea. A little bacon. Almost gonna run out of fuel pretty soon. I just want to show you. See, it's that type of stove because I don't like spilling things. Let's start a fire. I'm not gonna start a fire now, but yeah, that's what we're doing. I may kick it up if it goes out just to cook those last 2 pieces of bacon. But yeah, that's what we're doing. I'm bending down, that's why I'm looking like this. But yeah, bread challenge. Damn. 100% wool hat. I think it's only 60% wool, but I've had this for years. Love it. But yeah, we'll have our tea, bread. Thank you, Lord. Whoops. Harney and Sons tea. And I forget the other brand. But Darjeeling also. Oh yeah, that's good, man. So, that's what I'm doing out here. Bread challenge, like it. You want to really make a different touch to it. When we go out in the old-fashioned trek, use the same pan. Put the bread dough and lean it up a side of the fire and let the heat of the fire cook the bread. You want to make your bread a little different, nice. Either put sage in there or some Bell's seasoning. And then you have a savory bread. I usually do that when I'm out and about, but might be out of fuel there. I'll add some more just to cook the bacon. So, peace, freedom, keep your eyes to the sky. Take care, man. Damn, it's good. Feeling good.